Transform your Kajabi course from drab to fab and boost student engagement with these simple yet impactful design secrets. First, let's talk about your course hero image. This is the first impression, so make it count. Upload a high-quality, relevant image that visually represents your course topic. Avoid blurry or generic stock photos. Think bold, clear, and captivating. Next, let's enhance your module and lesson titles. Use consistent, clear, and concise language for module titles. Think big-picture themes for lessons. Be specific about the content. Consider using emojis sparingly to add personality where appropriate. Color is your friend. Implement a consistent color palette throughout your course. Use your brand colors to create a professional and cohesive look. Kajabi makes it easy to update these in your site settings, building brand recognition and making navigation intuitive. Now, let's focus on imagery within your lessons. Break up text with visually appealing graphics, screenshots, or even short video clips. High-quality images and graphics make your content more digestible and engaging, helping students absorb information more effectively. Finally, consider the layout of your lesson pages. Use headings, bullet points, and short paragraphs to make your content scannable and easy to read. Don't overwhelm students with walls of text. Keep it clean, organized, and focused on clarity. By implementing these design and presentation tips, you'll not only create a more beautiful Kajabi course, but also foster a more positive and effective learning experience for your students, leading to happier learners and higher completion rates.